our channel. Today I have some of the Freetress Equal Illusion Lace Frontal wigs to review for you guys. I reviewed one of them before, I think it was a couple days ago, and I reviewed the IL001. Now today I have the IL002, 003, and 004 to review for you guys, and I'm going to start off with the 004. Okay, the 004 is pretty much shorter. This is in the color OM3 FT9953. The color is really pretty, and guys, if you don't remember the review from the IL001, this is basically a pre-plucked natural density frontal lace wig. So you get 3 combs up front, behind of the natural frontal, you get 1 at the back. The adjustable straps is a basic cap construction, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band at the back. I love the adjustable elastic band because, like I said, a lot of the elastic bands are very flimsy, so the fact that they put an adjustable elastic band, I think it makes so much sense because everybody have like a different head size. Regardless, you try to put the elastic band, I guess they put it flimsy just because some person's head are like bigger, so it may be a little bit too tight if they put it too tight. So I get the adjustable elastic band, that way you can adjust it, you know, for your head size. I think that makes so much sense. But anyway, you have that part, that frontal up front. Like, does it say how much? It does. Okay, it's 5 inch deep, 5 inches deep, so it's a 13 by 5 frontal up front, so you can part it wherever you want to. You can give it a center part, left side part, right side part. I decided to give this one a right side part, and it comes with baby hairs at the front, so I just laid that down. But it looks pretty natural, I would say, for the most part. Like they said, it's pre-plucked. The baby hairs are pretty thick, so you don't have to use all of it. You could tweeze it out some more, or you can just put it in with the rest of the wig. It's really up to you, but the front looks pretty natural in my opinion, not as dense. You know, I think the baby hairs is what's making it look so dense because the baby hairs are so thick. But like I said, that can easily be fixed. If you don't care about that, then good for you. But the hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so it is a synthetic unit. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. You can add heat to it and everything like that. I love the fact that it has like a little slanted cut, like a little asymmetrical cut going on. And like I said, you could make this into a right side part, left side part, or a center part. This is what the stock card looks like right here. This is it. The link to it will be in the description box down below, along with all the colors that it comes in, because it comes in other colors as well. It has a light yaki hair texture. Now I did get some shedding from this, but it wasn't too excessive. I didn't get any tangling so far. So far so good, I would say. Plus it's pretty short, so I would have an issue if this was tangling already. But it has some really nice cute waves there. This is giving me Valentine's Day vibe. You know, if you want something cute, short, and flirty, you can definitely go for something like this in this color. Yep, Valentine's Day vibe. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this unit or anything else, make sure to leave me a question in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.